Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I want to give you my 5 cartoons, 5 best cartoons that some of them raised me. Firstly is Dragon Ball Z. I don't care, Dragon Ball GT, Dragon Ball Kai, Dragon Ball Super, the Battle of the Gods, Dragon Ball franchise. I think I started watching that thing from 2002. Yeah, from 2002 at SABC 2. I think so. I think MacGyver and others were still working at Crazy there, and Musa. It was MacGyver, Musa, and others. Yes, Dragon Ball Z, and I'm so impressed about how that franchise grew. When I still remember, if I can remember correctly, it's how many, close to 20 years for me watching the cartoon. So that cartoon raised me. First is Dragon Ball Z, then SpongeBob. Hey, SpongeBob, you gotta love SpongeBob, man. That whoever they are playing those characters, they are the best. Then third, it will be which one? I have a lot of cartoons. Which one is gonna be my third? I think the Boss Baby. The Boss Baby, man, put that cookie down. So yeah. Number 3 it would be the Boss Baby, and then number 4 it was Megamind, and then I wish they had the second one, because they only made like one movie or one cartoons. So yeah, Megamind makes the list. The last one to be Cars. Yeah, Omega, what else again? This thing, Lightning McQueen, and others. Yeah, those are my 5 best cartoons. Yeah, those are my 5 cartoons. Please, on the comment section, please give me your 5 best cartoons for all at the time. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.